Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a very simple cocktail. It's one of the oldest cocktails known, and it's simply called an old-fashioned. Now, the basis of our cocktail, I'll just quickly show you. Traditionally, is you use this rye whiskey. But you can use bourbon, but I happen to have some rye whiskey, so I'll be using that today. So I've just got my glass there. First thing I need is just 1 cube of sugar into our glass. Into that I've got some Angostura aromatic bitters. I just want a couple of dashes of that. 2. Just a couple of spoonfuls of water, cold water. And we're just going to muddle that up a bit. Alrighty. Next, I'm going to put into there some of my rye whiskey. I'm going to put in 2 ounces. Now I'm going to put some ice in here. Now I like to use some big cubes of ice. So I've got 2 large cubes like that, and all I need to do to finish that off is I've got some julienne of orange zest. Just going to give that all a stir up. Just to garnish, a couple more bits of our zest, and 1 maraschino cherry. Alrighty, I'm going to give my old-fashioned a taste. Yummo. Very delicious. Very nice. Quite strong, of course. Pretty well neat whiskey. Just that little bit of diluting, and what can I say? I'm going to sit down and drink the rest of that. Thanks for watching. Another quick one. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Can I just ask, if you haven't subscribed yet, could you hit that subscription button? That'd be great. But if you don't want to, no worries, and I will see you all next time.